Hey everyone, so my apologies for not having put one of these together in the last few days. I seem to have developed a very bad habit of pulling long hours, and I end up falling asleep with my laptop on my lap, and when I wake up again it's around 4 in the morning and I have zero mental capacity to be able to put one of these together. So I'm going to have to stop doing that, and I have a solution. It's right here. As you can see, it is instant, but it will do the trick. So there's that. The top 3 things I accomplished yesterday, at least I can give you that. I did a whole lot of administration around the DAV Alliance, and of course I did some outreach. I'm also working on a proposal for a very significant strategic alliance. If we get this, it'll be huge. So I can't get into details now, but fingers crossed, we'll see how it develops. And finally, I've been, of course, engaging a lot more this week with the community in the Telegram channel. Really great questions being asked, and I'm more than happy to expand on any of the answers that I provide. So I'd love to see you guys in there, and maybe we can talk some more. That's it for me, and I will see you guys next time.
Hey, Davers, Alec here. So the week has started. I'm just reviewing the different forms we got on our website from different new DAV Alliance prospects. New companies from all around the world that want to become part of the DAV network. Also, me and John are helping to onboard our newest member to our BizDev team. We'll get you more updates on that soon. Bye, guys.
Hey there! So, it's been a really exciting weekend. Our Telegram group doubled in size, our newsletter maybe tripled the number of subscribers. A lot of new YouTube videos have been released talking about DAV really excitedly. We've been getting a ton of positive feedback from the community. It's been really exciting, a little bit overwhelming even. It's really cool. Just as cool is we've been getting a lot of new pull requests. Actually, dozens of new pull requests have come in over the weekend for our different projects. A lot of it is thanks to the hard work of our developer community managers, Srinivas and Griffin. Thank you guys. Most of those pull requests have already been reintegrated, and we're working on the rest. Today I'm focused on 3 main things. The first one is working with Lior and this guy. The second is working with this guy. We released a new version of Missions and Mission Control. You can check it out on missions.io. Going back to the first thing, I've been working with Lior on a technology page, so you can actually go in and see what we've been building. And finally, I've been working on our KYC and whitelisting system. I know a lot of you have been asking about this and care a lot about this, so you're gonna see more of this very soon. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi everyone. So you probably noticed my days are really all about the community, answering emails, answering questions on Telegram. It takes up most of my day, and it's what I honestly most enjoy doing. So that's going to be an ongoing theme every time for my DailyDAV. In addition, we posted our latest Dev Insider about Joe Lepardo late last week, so that was something I helped coordinate. And today I will be also focused on continuing to complete the content calendar. I'll be coordinating with Daniel on the video content that's planned and will be coming out, so that we've got a plan for keeping you updated. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so last Thursday I worked on a new menu for the developer portal that includes some cool visuals, and Tal pushed it live already on Friday, so check it out. I also worked on our new technology page for the website, on which I continue to work also today. We had today an interesting meeting with Noam and Tal regarding product roadmap, so an interesting discussion, and we came up with really cool ideas. I also worked on a new feature, a tiny announcement window. It will be a floating window on the website. It will update our users with every new feature or release of a new application that we have. And I think this is it, guys, for today. Thanks.
Hi guys, today I deployed a version of the latest code to the server. So we now have a demo site where you can see the application running, and it runs both on your PC and on mobile devices. And probably you're going to see it posted sometime soon, so stay tuned. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lepardo here. So yesterday spent a good portion of the day down in Silicon Valley meeting with a very, very large auto company. Went really, really well. Can't talk too many details about that, but hopefully good things on the horizon. Definitely have some additional meetings set up pertaining to that, so nothing but good things there. Also did a good amount of work in regards to, once I get back, paid advertising, doing some additional tweaks to some new pages on the website, working on some content pieces, just other strategy things in that sort as well, some social stuff as well. Today, main focus has been a lot of stuff this morning around paid marketing. So working on the analytics portion of that, working with our paid media partner on that, working on some content pieces for next week with our journalist, also getting a few of those other pages, the media page specifically, over the finish line, working with our developer on that. So overall, a lot of good things. Thanks everybody. Have a nice weekend.